What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the young bartender. Today, we're gonna be making the club cocktail. So you just might be hearing some noises. I just want to give everyone a heads up. Some people in my family are building computers. Really exciting. In case you're wondering what it is a 10900K, I think 3090, and that's all water cooled. But let's actually get started and let's get down to the history. The club cocktail is a once forgotten brandy cocktail from the post-prohibition cocktail book, Just Cocktails, written by W.C. Whitfield. The cool thing about these books, if you ever get a chance to look at them, the covers, they were made out of solid wood and they were actually etched. Let me put a photo there in the corner. I believe that is a corner. It's really neat, and these books, if you're interested in cocktail history, they go on eBay for like $1,500, so definitely a collector's item. I don't have it. I just got this recipe from Dale DeGrasse's Craft of the Cocktail. So let's get started, shall we? First, what we're gonna do, we gotta get our tin. You might have seen a lemon. I got the two videos I'm filming today mixed up. Okay, first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do half an ounce of pineapple juice. Give it a nice shake. Awesome. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do half an ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. I'm using Luxardo. Half an ounce. Perfect. And then 2 ounces of brandy of your choice. I am using Courvoisier VS Cognac. And then we're gonna do two dashes of PEYCHAUD'S bitters. Then what we're gonna do, put ice in our tin, put the 2 tins together, and then shake. Perfect. Okay, now that we got the tins removed, chilled stemmed cocktail glass. I'm using a chilled coupe. Fastest way and easiest way to chill a cocktail glass is fill it with ice water. When you're making the cocktail, the glass gets nice and chilled. There's just a little bit of water in it. You can just splash it. Doesn't add too much dilution. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna double strain into our chilled cocktail glass. Perfect. Ooh, nice and bubbly, and that was my dog. Then what we're gonna do, never mind, we do need a lemon, is we're gonna get a lemon peel. And then we're just gonna spritz the oil. And we get our maraschino cherry. Just clip it on there. And there we have it, the club cocktail. Let's give it a try. Ooh, that's really good. Okay. First thing, when you take a sip, you get the pineapple juice, definitely pineapple forward, and then you get the kind of the cherry from the maraschino liqueur, and throughout the whole sip, you get your brandy cognac that's very spirit driven. It's a spirit that drives the cocktail, and then at the very end, you get that combination of the PEYCHAUD'S and bitters and the lemon peel oil. It's really good. Very delicious cocktail, and man, I will definitely order this next time I go out to a restaurant or bar, but you know, COVID. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit like and hit subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I just realized like and thumbs up is the same thing. It's been a long week. Yeah, so just make sure you do that. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I post a brand new video. Everyone, be safe and have a good week.